Hello students. So this is a problem number 2 on the topic linear equations. Okay, so we are seeing actually how to get a solution for a linear equation. Now the given problem is solve 1 plus y square into dx, which is equal to tan inverse y minus x into dy. Now first tell me whether it's a linear equation. Now it contains the term y square and tan inverse y. Okay, so the given equation is not a linear in y. Is not a linear equation, is not a linear in terms of y. But if you observe x, what is the degree of x here? Is it 1? Okay, and degree of its differential coefficient, that is dx, the degree is also 1. So we can say given equation is not linear in y but is linear in x variable. Is this right? Therefore can we write the given equation in form 1 plus y square into dx upon dy, which is equal to tan inverse y minus x, or can we write this as, sorry, this is what dx upon dy. Okay, so this will be dx upon dy plus, okay, I am bringing this term x upon 1 plus y square, which is equal to tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. Okay, so we have dividing by 1 plus y square. See, again our equation remains same, dy by dx plus py, which is equal to q. This is the standard form. But now I will be writing the given problem in this dx upon dy plus p into x, which is equal to q. Now in this equation p and q were functions of what? Functions of x. But now here in second equation p and q will be functions of y. Okay, see here. Okay, so this is dx upon dy plus x upon 1 plus y square, which is equal to tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. So what will be p here? P will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square. Is this right? Therefore, what will be integrating factor? Integrating factor will be e to the power integration of p into, instead of dx, it will be dy. So e into integration of dy upon 1 plus y square, which is equal to e. What is integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square into dy? It will be tan inverse y. Okay, is this correct up to this? Okay. Now we got the integrating factor. Now what will be solution? See, solution will be in the form of x into integrating factor, which is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dy plus c. Okay, so let us see what solution you are getting. So it will be, what is integrating factor? E to the power tan inverse y. So x into integrating factor, that is e to the power tan inverse y, which is equal to integration of q. What is q here? Is this q? Okay, so q, that is tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square into integrating factor, that is e to the power tan inverse y into dy plus c. Okay, so hope everybody is getting it. Now, how you are going to find this integration? That is very important. So let us put, see, you can observe here, if I am putting tan inverse y, tan inverse y, let's say it is equal to t. So dy upon 1 plus y square will be equal to what? It will be dt. So our equation becomes, what I can write? Integration of tan inverse y. What is tan inverse y? T. And what is this term? See, dy upon 1 plus y square. This will be equal to what? Dt. Yes? Okay. So t into e to the power t into dt plus c. Okay. So integration by parts. So t into integration of e to the power t. It is e to the power t plus e to the power t. Sorry, it will be what? See, how you can, this is what? Integration by parts. So first term into integration of second minus integration of derivative of first, that is 1, into integration of second e to the power t into dt plus c. Okay, so I will get here t into e to the power t minus again this integration e to the power t plus c. So what is t? That is tan inverse y into e to the power tan inverse y minus e to the power tan inverse y plus c. Okay, so therefore, so this is what? This is equal to x into what? X into e to the power tan inverse y. Now you can multiply each term, you can divide each term by e to the power tan inverse y. So this will get cancelled out. Okay, and here it will be e to the power tan inverse y. So final solution will be x, which is equal to tan inverse y minus 1 plus c into e to the power tan inverse y. So this will be your final answer. Okay, so hope you have understood this problem. So quickly we will revise it. Let us revise this thing. See, the standard form is what? Dy by dx plus p into y, which is equal to q. Or it can be dx upon dy plus p into x, which is equal to q. Now in this case, p and q are what? These are functions of x, while here p and q are functions of y only. Here x only. So the solution will be, what will be solution? Solution in this case is what? Y into integrating factor, which is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. While in this case, what is the solution? X into integrating factor, which is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into dy plus c. What is integrating factor here? What is the integrating factor here? Integrating factor will be equal to e to the power p into dx, while integrating factor in this case is e to the power p into dy. Okay, so hope now, in case if such type of problem come in the exam, you will be easily able to tackle it, right? So once again, you can take your notepad, pen and pencil and just try to solve this problem by your own. And you can note down this slide particularly. This is very important from exam point of view, right? So thank you. In the next video, we will talk of Bernoulli's equation and how to get the solution for Bernoulli's equation. Thank you.